హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, రియల్మీ 9i లాంచ్ ఈవెంట్ని నాతో కలిసి చూడబోతున్నారు.
Hi, this is Realme. Feels like I have been here long enough. But no, it has been just 3 years.
I'll take it ahead from here.
Sure.
Realme emerged as number 2 smartphone brand for the first time in October 2021 and became India's most trusted technology brand. Unbelievable, right? But that's real. Beautiful. Not me. The GTME. That's why it got the Eye of Design Award and brand achieved 550% growth. Wow. Just like that, Realme became the fastest smartphone brand to reach 100 million users. They opened not just 1 or 2, but 300 experience stores in just 1 year. Surprised? But that's real. And all their smartphones are made right here in India. And with time, Realme screens became bigger.
And their brand became more heard. World's fastest magnetic wireless charger, the first 125-watt ultra-dark charger, or India's first 5G phone with 64 megapixel quad camera. Realme did it all.
With time, we moved ahead of time and kept doing bigger things.
Realme uses tech to make our life easier. That's why we started with Realme Tech Life ecosystem to bring technology that empowers life.
We even launched some new products this year, like the Realme Pad and the Realme Laptop. Realme has really surprised the world with their tech.
Today, Realme is world's 6th largest smartphone brand and the most trusted technology brand in India. All this was made possible because we dare to lead.
आंखों में सपने लिए तो सभी बैठे हैं,
डरी डरी आंखों में बुनते ख्वाब नए जो,
लेकिन उन्हें उड़ान भरने के लिए पंख नहीं, जज्बा चाहिए.
Realme 9i, next level power. Realme 9i, next level power. Realme 9i, next level power.
Huh? Actually, now that we've gathered 5 real Realme employees here, why don't you tell me, what feature do you need in your new phone?
I want a faster processor. I want a phone that can increase my productivity even more.
Wow. Productivity? मतलब कुछ भी हाँ? I work with several departments, so I want a phone that can handle multitasking very well.
Nice.
I want a phone that can power through an entire day, just like me.
Just like you? सो जाती है lunch के बाद desk पे.
You know I don't put a lot of efforts in the way I look, right? But I do want to look stylish. So I want a phone that's already stylish. I'm a hardcore gamer, guys. So I want a phone that just runs cool.
Okay, so your wish is my command. So let me give all of you the next level power. The all new Realme 9i.
Wow, feels so good, right?
Dude, this looks so good.
To give you a fair warning, these are next level phones. So you might start feeling some side effects.
Side effects? मतलब?
Like superpowers.
You'll see. Now go.
Wow, Snapdragon 686 nanometer processor, right? अबे इसको भी फास्ट कर दिया.
Yeah, man. Looks like her productivity has really gone up.
Listen, yeah, please handle this. I have a meeting with Shri.
अच्छा listen,
Yeah.
dude, how did you get here so fast? तू अभी वहाँ पे नहीं था?
Bro, he's there also.
कैसे? Bro, Realme का डायनेमिक रैम एक्सपेंशन इतना डायनेमिक है कि आप अपने 6 GB के स्मार्टफोन के ऊपर एडिशनल 5 GB ऐड कर सकते हो, जो कि आपको 11 GB तक का एक्सपीरियंस देता है.
Dude, that's mind-blowing multitasking.
AC ऑन नहीं है क्या?
I've been doing cardio since morning, yeah.
It's too hot. Hey, how is he not even breaking a sweat?
Efficient 6 nanometer processor मतलब no overheating. इसका मतलब phone cool तो मैं cool.
Arey, wow! This looks so good!
I know, right? Super stylish phone, super stylish man. एकदम हटके.
Bro, can you...
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we can stop now.
Hey, where's that battery girl?
Since morning, she's been multitasking with cardio and work both.
Her battery must be drained out completely. I guess she went home.
Guys, चलो क्लबिंग नहीं जाना?
तेरी बैटरी अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुई?
30 minutes पहले हुई थी यार. Now I'm back to full charge. चलो जल्दी.
So that was a lot of fun, guys.
Guys, this is a great all-rounder phone. Fast भी है, performance भी है और battery life तो है ही. And just see how stylish it looks. It can basically do everything and even more.
So this is what we call the next level power on the Realme 9i. But we haven't even gotten to the best part yet.
और भी है?
There's more? What?
I like where this is going.
Can you guess how much this phone is going to cost?
18,999.
I think about 20.
The Realme 9i will come with the ultra fast and ultra cool Snapdragon 680 processor, long battery life and dynamic RAM expansion, and of course, killer looks. Let's take a look at the Realme 9i in all its glory.
Realme 9i, next level power.
So the next level price for this next level phone is the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage version will be priced at only rupees 13,999, and the 6GB RAM version with the 128GB storage will be priced at only rupees 15,999.
It will be available for sale on January 25th, 12 midnight, and you can purchase it on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you. That being said, early sale will be on January 22nd at 12 noon on realme.com and flipkart.com.
లాంచ్ ఈవెంట్ని చూసారనుకుంటున్నాను అందరూ. సో మీరు కనుక ఈ ఛానల్కి ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చి ఉంటే ఇప్పటివరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. బాయ్ బాయ్.